This is just going to be a quick review on how to reason about a function using a derivative graph. So remember, a derivative is a function that finds slope. So I have a graph here of the derivative. This is f prime, so I've asked where f is increasing. So I'm going to make some notes here about the justifications, and then we'll talk about the actual points. But a function is increasing when its derivative is positive, and of course that's because derivative finds slope. So if the derivative is positive, that means that the slope is positive, and therefore a function's increasing. So we've got -7 to -6. We've got -3 to 1/2. And we've got about 5 to 10. I made it, we'll kind of guesstimate there. We're decreasing then when the derivative is negative. So we're talking from -6 to -3. We're talking about from 0.5 to 5. And that'll about do it. Okay, and again, it's because derivative tells us slope. If the derivative is positive, that means the slope is positive, so a function is increasing. At a maximum, well, a function's at a maximum when its slope changes from positive to negative. So we'll replace the word slope with derivative. F prime changes from positive to negative. Okay? Let me clean that up a little bit. So we look for where that happens. We've got one at x equals -6. We've got another one at 0.5. Okay, that's the two spots where the derivative changes from positive to negative. So a minimum must be when f prime changes from negative to positive. And again, that's because the function changed from increasing or decreasing to increasing at the minimum. So that occurs at -3 and 5. Okay. Now, concave up. A function is concave up when its second derivative is positive, which means its first derivative is increasing. Okay, so we're going to look for where the derivative is increasing. It looks like from -4 to -2 and from 3 to 7. A point of inflection occurs when the second derivative changes signs so the first derivative changes direction. And the original function then would change concavity. So the first derivative changes signs at -4, -2, 3, and 7. So those are all inflection points.